you okay? Sounds like he's saying no to us. It's like, no. Or it sounds like it's Tom laughing. Doesn't it sound like Tom laughing? Did he just wake up and cough and then go back to sleep? Is he still recording this?
Yeah.
Is it only voice or video? Hey! Bowie! Bowie! Early! Early! Done yet? We got so much on him right now. Make no. Don't think he's like trying to get breath. My friend does it all the time, dude. He's fat. He just wakes up and goes. One time I woke him up and I stared at him and he started talking to me. He's like, dude, shut the refrigerator. He just passed out. That was the funniest thing ever. Is that you? Was that you? I love people who are sleepy. Really?
Kayla, sleep there.
Name's Caleb.
Yeah, I want to talk to you.
What? Oh, okay. Alright, yeah, sorry. Okay, I'll be done with it. Alright, yeah, good. Bye, man.
Oh my god, do I still play with you guys?
Dude, that was the funniest thing we've ever heard.
Oh.